What is ending, people? Today is October 11. We got some stuff to do today, but look at the rain. It literally just started to pour like a minute ago. And I'll be damned. So you're looking at Koshai's stevedoring place. This is where you ship your stuff and you get to pick them up here after they are being unstuffed from container. And yes, you can see there's the truck for the US Postal Services, as well as other merchandises here that people be shipping in for their families here on the island. So my part for today, there's some beers right there. My part for today is there's a pallet hidden somewhere there that they are trying to make rooms for it to be transported or transferred on top of this supply cargo right to my right. So I guess that's it. Let's take a look at how this young gentleman is operating this little beast. You tell him. Yes, he was telling the other driver to make room for the other guy to get in because this guy is trying to get out and this guy is trying to block him in. So you tell him. Yep. This gentleman definitely knows what he's doing. I'm going to fill you in a logistic tip here. Here in the FSM, there is CTSI and there is Triple B Freight Forwarding Company. So if you wish to send anything out from East Coast or West Coast, there is CTSI and there is Triple B Freight Forwarding Company, where you get shipped through them down to Guam and then Guam down to your final destination here in the FSM. There is this LCL thing that they're doing. It's called loose cargo load, where you ship by the pallet, not by the container. So look that up, LCL, and you're good to go. If you ask me, this would be the most convenient way for you to ship used appliances, used whatever in your garage, and ship it to your island here on Koshai. Well, after this, it's just gonna line it up, put it in the cargo, and off we go to the village of Tafunsak for you to watch and see what's happening out there today. Alright, being out.
What is happening, people? Some of you have requested and I take a stroll down on Tafunsak village for you to take a look. So here's a suggestion for you. You want to see more of Koshai on this channel? Subscribe. Let me know where you are watching at so I can send some shout out to you. Alright? You can listen and hear and already know that it's Uncle Kunchek right there on the microphone. Take it away, Uncle Kunchek. Bella Manolo.
Hello. lòng mẹ lên tôi đi quay cô cũng bỏ lên để xin nó sang thì đi nào đi để con giấc con là mẹ đã cốt là cái feels like What when my good force goes shy naman ako suwing pinalo way ako lahi sa ukin niya kusay kay pin someone kapusan pwede ko marana los madan force ko siya laman na rainbow bigger show way ako lahi sa ugin niya kusay kay pin someone na kapusin pwede ko marana pwede what when magul force ko siya naman ako showing finalo sa ugin niya kusay kay pin someone kapusin pwede ko marana pwede los madan force ko siya kusay kay pin someone na kapusin pwede ko marana kusay kay pin someone na kapusin pwede ko marana Los influences ko Charlie in wish I would